Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today inshallah I gonna show you how to draw points and multi-points in AutoCAD. Draw points with value also, and inshallah I give you more things about points, some settings, and so let's start the topic. First of all, draw points. For example, you need draw points in the command line. Please type point and hit enter. Okay, you will draw points, this one the single points, and you will draw this point only by on clicking, or if you by clicking, no problem. If you click this one here, you will see this point is here. But if you have a coordinate on the value, how can you draw? Again, point, hit enter, and specify a point. So here you will make first of all x and y. For example, I have x 100 and I have y 200, and you will see this point is here. Okay, I show you this value here. Select this point and make control 1. Okay, you will see this value here. This point is value here. So you friends, you will make also the points same, apply same commands. Okay, a multi points, going to draw, see points and multi points, and you will see, and you will click on the any, this one is the multi point. Okay, that's it. This is a short and brief video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel